Hi, my name is Bash Harry and welcome to my channel, and I have a special guest! You've seen her before. It's Safarah of the Bungu Story. Also one of my bestest friends. I've known her for about 6 years.
7, probably.
6 years, it's okay. And we're gonna transform her into me, the greatest person she'll ever know. Oh, I don't look like that. Without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna start off with her brows, and obviously, as you can see, she has very, very, very beautiful brows. We're gonna brush them, and we're gonna make them a bit thicker, probably a bit more sharper, because right now I have pretty sharp brows, and I want her brows to look like mine. So tell us about yourself, Saf.
Hi, my name is Safarah from the Bungu Story. Yeah. That should be like a grand introduction, like ah, like and then a pause and then zoom into my face.
You're not that great.
Hi, my name is Safarah from the Bungu Story.
It's like less spotlights hitting your face. You went, this is Safarah from the Bungsu Story. How long have you been a part of the Bungsu Story?
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Since conception.
Since last year. So I'm very excited for it to come out. So this is our script writer.
That I've never told anyone. I don't think I've actually mentioned it until now.
Yeah, see, that should be like, script writer Bash Harry.
Screenwriter Bash Harry. And I'm just like, no, beauty blogger. She only does makeup. Beautiful.
So what's that?
It is a hydrating moisturizer, but it does have some glow to it. I used it this morning. It's pretty. Foundation. Since she has a bit of acne scarring, I do want to apply some mostly on the center, the outside corners of her face, and then just will blend it inwards. I wish I was here for the premiere of Bungsu Story, so at least then I could like kind of do your makeup for it again, and then we start blending it out.
It's like getting punched, but with a sponge.
Yeah, so it's softer.
Oh!
Shut up, you like it.
This is like a thigh massage.
What's a thigh massage?
Like this.
I've never had a massage. I don't like them.
I'm ticklish.
Fun
Fun fact.
You want people to start tickling you in public? Is that why you're
No,
saying
no,
this?
no.
Fun fact, the foundation she's using, I bought it for her. Also fun fact, she stole my primer and my lipsticks and my mascara.
Please don't call the police. Kids, don't do that.
Don't steal your
Stealing
friend's
is
makeup.
bad.
Until she messaged you being like, did you take my makeup? She's like, lol, what?
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 What? Let's put it like a counting bell, you know, like the amount of times Bash calls me beautiful in this video. It's like ding, ding, ding.
Hi, you ugly mother.
Would that be fun?
There should be like a counter every time I say like, okay. Anyways, this video will never stop, and it was just like ding, ding, ding. Talk to me about how it's like being in the Bungsu Story set. It was a year ago. It wasn't even a year ago. It was like 6 months ago.
Exactly, so I'm trying to remember.
How about the fact that you met your boyfriend at Bungsu Story?
Right. Actually, he approached me first, but I flirted on social media.
How?
Like, I just followed him. Ooh. What's that? Kilowatt?
Yeah. Kilowatt highlighter.
Do you like it?
I haven't. This is the second time I've tried it. So far, okay.
It's golden, right?
This one is not the gold one.
The gold one's weird.
The gold one is for people with darker skin than us.
It's like, why would you put gold on your...
Because you are golden.
It's like quote of the day. Because you are golden.
You have longer hair and you don't have shaved sides.
That's
Do you want to shave your sides?
You shave your sides?
Yeah, do you see?
Oh no. Please. I'm good.
Yeah. I don't know if I want to grow them out yet. I haven't decided. You know what you look like? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
What's that?
You don't know Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer?
No.
He's like the, you know, like Christmas? Okay, and you know, like Santa Claus has 7 reindeer. And so he has one called Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer who has a special talent. He lights the way for
Oh.
the other reindeers. And because your nose is so red, it looks like you.
So what's that for eyeshadow?
Yep.
The glue.
It's not the glue, it's the primer. What the hell?
I have to have another primer.
For your eyes, yeah.
Ada.
Relax your chin. Kind of lean down.
My chin.
Yeah, like tilt yourself up. Okay, now we're gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills. Ah, now this requires a spotlight. Let's do this. Close your eyes. Probably burnt orange.
Do you remember all the names?
Yeah, I do. They're right here.
I mean, like, without looking at them.
I bet you I can. I think I can actually. Like, I use this palette so often, you can see how much like the pan I've used up.
How about like every other eyeshadow palette?
Not every other eyeshadow palette, probably just the eyeshadows I own and use a lot. I can probably do that.
Do I look like Harley Quinn?
No, you don't. Harley Quinn's hotter. Margot Robbie's really hot. Come on.
Yeah, she is. Do you know Lily James?
Yeah.
Did you know that she's dating Matt Smith? Doctor Who.
No, I heard they broke up.
No.
Are they still together?
Yeah.
He's so cute. He's so hot.
He's
Matt
my
Smith.
favorite doctor.
He is my favorite doctor.
Yeah.
Admittedly, it's because he was the first doctor I watched, and then I watched
same.
everyone else.
Yeah.
But there's something about him being tall, and he looks like a mug. You know what I mean? like one that you drink from. It looks like if you put a handle on him, you could drink out of his head.
Is that an insult?
No, it's not. It's a compliment.
Because he has a square face.
It's not even square. It's like a rectangle. And he has no eyebrows too. He looks like a bit of a giraffe.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Don't know what to call this eyeshadow look. Probably like summer fun or something. I don't know. Kind of want to give you like a smoky eye. You've never had a look like this, I guarantee. Woo! You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to curl your eyelashes or let me do it? You can't even look in the mirror. Closer, 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 closer. Yeah.
Hey.
Where's your mascara? There you go. Closer, 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 closer. Yeah.
It's a talent.
Good for you. Come on. Look down for me. Oh yeah, this is my mascara.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to quickly put on some lashes and your lipstick. We're almost done. Yeah, you can see it's almost done. I really need to get a new one.
You can sit right while you're doing that.
That's true.
You sure I look normal?
You look like me.
Are you sure?
It's okay.
Are you sure it's not like falling off? 'Cause
No.
It feels like it's falling off.
It's because it's longer than your eye, because this is my eyelash. And I can't really cut it because I still use it occasionally. Because we're broke here and I can't give you a pair of lashes. I can give you lipsticks, I can give you like foundations.
I don't use lashes anyway.
Exactly! So like, what's the point of me giving you a pair of lashes if you're never gonna use them and I waste a good pair of lashes? I still haven't seen Nabil since I came back. I really want to see him before I leave again.
Mm-hmm.
On the plus side, your lashes are like really nice and long.
Yeah.
So you don't really need lashes. So we are finally done with the makeup. I'm gonna quickly do her hair, put on some earrings, and I'll be right back. And we finally finished her face. How do you feel?
I feel fantastic. I don't know how I look like though.
I think, okay, ready? I did the exact same makeup look on you that I did on myself earlier today. Okay, ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
What is she? Yo, I look like you! Oh my god. Apart from the skin tone, obviously.
Apart from the skin tone and like your longer hair. I think she looks beautiful. I think you should wear this more often.
That's because I look like you.
Exactly. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did, do like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check her out on Instagram and Twitter if you can. Oh, don't forget, I also wrote that script. So watch the pilot because I wrote it. Anyway, my name is Bash Harry.
And I'm Safarah Norden.
And we'll see you next week. Bye! And you kind of fade back.
Yeah.
You have to kind of like leave.